Hello, dear student. This is very important question of class 11th math complex number. We will solve this question by three methods. Find the square root of iota. This is very important question. So at first you see the first method for solving this question. First method. Find the square root of iota. Suppose z equal to iota, any complex number is denoted by z. So iota is a complex number, so z equal to iota. We can write this in a standard form 0 plus iota also. So z equal to, when we multiply and divide by 2, we get 2 iota upon 2. Okay. Now add 1 and subtract 1. That is 1 plus 2 iota. This is tricky method. Minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Now we can write this 1 plus 2 iota. You know iota square is minus 1. So minus 1 can be replaced by iota square. So this is plus iota square upon 2. Now we know 1 plus 2 iota plus iota square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can write this 1 plus iota whole square upon 2. Okay. So this is z. So a square root of z equal to what? A square root of 1 plus iota whole square upon 2. So this is plus minus 1 plus iota upon root 2, right? When we take positive sign, we will get 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 iota. When we take negative sign, we will get minus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2 iota. Okay. So this is very easy and tricky method for finding a square root. Now you see the second method of finding a square root. This is also a tricky method. So in second method, you see that is given z equal to iota. We can write this iota 0 plus iota. Okay. We know any complex number can be written as x plus iota. Okay. So a square root of any complex number z can be found by this tricky formula, plus minus half into modulus of z minus x square root, and plus 1 by 2 into modulus of z. This is plus, okay, and this is minus x square root into iota. Okay. So what is modulus of z? So you know modulus of z equal to real part square plus imaginary part square root. This is modulus of z. So a square root of 0 plus iota, that is iota equal to plus minus 1 half into modulus of z, that is real part is 0 and imaginary part is 1. So 0 square plus 1 square, that is 1 square root of 1 is 1. So this is 1. Modulus z is 1 and real part of this complex number is 0. So 1 plus 0 square. Again this is half modulus of z 1 and real part 0. And this is iota. Right? Now this equal to plus minus. This is 1 by root 2 and this is plus 1 by root 2 iota. When you take positive sign, then 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 iota. And second, when we take negative sign, we will get minus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2 iota. Okay. So this is very easy, tricky formula for finding a square root of any complex number. Plus minus half into modulus z plus x root under plus half modulus z minus x root under iota. If this is minus iota y, then you add here plus. In the place of plus, just add negative. You will find correct answer. Okay, now the third method, which is the basic method for finding a square. Okay, so this is the third method. So given complex number z is iota, so we can write this complex number in the standard form 0 plus iota. So you know a square root of any complex number is also complex number. So square root of 0 plus iota, suppose x plus iota 1. So squaring both sides, we will get 0 plus iota equal to a squaring of this. So x plus iota y whole square. Okay. You know a plus b whole square, a square, that is x square plus 2ab. 2 into x into iota y. So we will get 2xy iota plus b square, that is iota square y square. Right. So again, this equal to what? X square plus 2xy iota, and iota square is minus 1, so this is minus 1. So this is x square minus y square plus 2xy iota, and this is 0 plus iota. Now, if two complex number are equal, then real part and imaginary part are equal. So real part of LHS is 0, and this equal to x square minus y square. And similarly, this is the imaginary part I. So coefficient of imaginary part equal to coefficient of imaginary part in RHS. So we will get x square minus y square equal to 0. This is the first equation, and this is 2xy into 2xy. 2xy equal to, that is 1. This is, so we can find y equal to what? That is 1 upon 2x. So this is second equation. Okay. So we get y equal to 1 by 2x. Again, you see, is when we put a value of y in the equation first. So now put y equal to, यानी कि आपको put करना है, put y, now put y equal to 1 by 2x in equation first. So this is x square minus y square 0. So this is x square, y is 1 by 2x. So you will get 1 upon 4x square, this equal to 0. Now 4x square LCM, so you will get 4x to the power 4 minus 1 upon 4x square equal to 0. Now cross multiply it, you will get 4x to the power 4 minus 1 0. So 4x to the power 4 equal to 1, and x to the power 4 is 1 by 4. So x equal to 1 by 4 to the power 1 by 4. Okay. So now we can write that is x equal to 1 by 2 whole square, and whole to the power is 1 by 4. 2 2 is 4. So you will get x equal to 1 by 2 to the power half, that is plus minus 1 by root 2. So we get two values of x, 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2. Now put x equal to 1 by root 2, then y equal to in equation number second, that is y equal to 1 by 2x. So that is y equal to 1 upon 2x, so that is 2 into 1 by root 2. So you will get 2 by root 2 is root 2. So this is 1 by root 2. Again, put x equal to minus 1 by root 2 in second. So y equal to again 1 upon 2 into minus 1 by root 2. So we get a minus 1 upon root 2. So when x is 1 by root 2, y is also 1 by root 2. When x is minus 1 by root 2, then y is also minus 1 by root 2. So putting the value of x and y, we get that is x square root of 0 plus iota equal to x plus iota y. So x is 1 by root 2, then iota is also 1 by root 2. Why? That is y is also 1 by root. So 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 iota. And when x is negative, that is minus 1 by root 2, then y is also minus. So this is minus 1 by root 2 iota. In this way, we see that or the square root of any complex number by these three methods. So these all three methods are very important. Thank you.